Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now. Make sure your Samsung device is updated and you're signed into your Samsung account because Voice Assistant needs current software and permissions. Once done, open Settings and go to Accessibility or Advanced Features depending on your model. This is where voice features live. You do this now so the assistant can access system controls and read screen content. If you don't see accessibility, search Settings for Voice Assistant to jump directly to the option. Now enable Voice Assistant by tapping Accessibility, then Voice Assistant or Screen Reader and flipping the toggle. This turns on spoken feedback and navigation cues. When Android prompts, grant microphone, storage, and notification permissions so the assistant can listen and describe content. Without them, it won't work reliably. Once enabled, use the settings to set speech rate, verbosity, and keyboard echo. These choices control how fast and finish by testing gestures. Swipe, double tap, and explore by touch to confirm spoken feedback and navigation behaves as expected. If speech overlaps or gestures act strangely, make sure other accessibility services are off because they can conflict. Disable them and try again. If Voice Assistant still won't start, restart the device and check for pending system updates or reinstall the accessibility app components. That resolves most startup failures. If needed, mention the one troubleshooting tip: restart after changing permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.